Nick from DockyDock, Florida here. What we have is a new DockyDock cat version. We have a beautiful world cat sitting in it, as you can see. Boat is protected from all barnacles. Look how nice she looks in her DockyDock. Plenty of room for the outboards. These waters are very warm here, so the marine growth is extremely tough to deal with. The DockyDock cat is designed specifically for a catamaran hull. If you have a boat in South Florida or in Florida and you need some help with your barnacles and marine growth, don't hesitate to contact us at www.dockydockflorida.com or info@dockydockflorida.com. I need to get one more video here because this DockyDock is so beautiful. Boat is beautiful. Owner of the boat goes away for months at a time, comes back and never has to worry about his hull.